We're up to the summit. And we're gonna get the cable car. Okay, over there. Ooh. There's the entrance. Saan? Ha? Close? Kaya pala dami nakapila doon sa motorrail. Dahil wala, close pala. So, cable car is closed because it's quite windy today. Oh, ganda sana yung view.